So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first go to your phone menu and try to scroll down and try to search for your Google Play Store. So when you find your Google Play Store, just tap on the Google Play Store app. So when you tap on it, try to search for Gangster Vegas. So when you find your Gangster Vegas, so you just have to check for the update. So when you can find update or when you are seeing updates in when you are seeing update on where the play is, what you have to do is to just tap on it to reinstall and you're going to get the latest update. So after doing this, what you have to do next is to just go to your phone and try to search for your Gangster Vegas app. So when you find it, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Tap on app info when that pop-ups, then tap on notifications and make sure you allow every notifications over here. Now go back and tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache which is down below and go back and tap on mobile data and restrictions. Make sure the background data is also turned on like this. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. So when you do this, what you have to do lastly is to just restart your phone. And to restart your phone, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, and this is going to pop up which says power off and restart. Other device, you're going to see power off and reboot, or sometimes too you're going to see airplane mode. So what you have to do is to just wipe this down and remove your hand from the phone screen, and it's going to turn off automatically and turn on automatically without you doing anything. And after doing this, or after restarting or rebooting it, it's going to work perfectly for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.